Meta AI upgrades Ray-Ban smart glasses with multimodal features. Launched by Meta, the Ray-Ban Meta collection of smart glasses is packed with tech, from ultra-wide 12-megapixel cameras to integrated audio. This technology was designed for a hands-free, on-the-go experience that offers amazing features. Meta is expanding its collection of Ray-Ban Meta glasses with some new upgrades. Previously, the features were limited to audio communication. It can process visuals to the user through the built-in camera and provide relevant insights. Meta has announced more multimodal capabilities for its Ray-Ban smart glasses and introduced a feature that will be able to describe the user's surroundings. The user can now freely use these glasses with the availability of features like translating text, giving other relevant information, or sharing real-time experiences during video calls on Messenger or WhatsApp. According to reports, Meta is rolling out these upgrades as beta features to customers across the US and Canada. Meta is developing this collection in collaboration with the eye-catching brand Luxottica. Additionally, it's soon going to launch over 100 new frames with different styles, lens combinations, and shapes available in 15 countries, including Australia, the US, Canada, and Europe. With Meta AI, users can now control the Meta glasses with voice commands. Just say, "Hey Meta," say what needs to be said, and move on with your gesture. The company started testing multimodal AI updates in December last year and is now announcing it as a feature.